And talking about upping the ante against Prime Minister Modi by the opposition, we have got a very crucial word coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She has reacted to this News 18's explosive interview with Prime Minister Modi and in fact has attacked him saying, and I'm going to quote her here, that over the last 10 years, Prime Minister has only done Hindu-Muslim and now he is claiming that he never did that. She in fact further said that votes were sought in the name of God. People of the country should become even more aware. Let's listen in to what Mrs. Vadra has to say.
एक दिन कुछ बोलते अगले दिन मन बदल देते हैं। हर चुनावी मंच पे जाके हर चुनाव को हिंदू मुसलमान बनाना है। और आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री वाराणसी में बैठे हुए, आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री आज के दिन वाराणसी में बैठे हुए इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, कहते हैं हिंदू मुसलमान, मैंने तो कभी ऐसी बात ही नहीं की। वाह वाह वाह, अरे 10 सालों से तो यही बात कर रहे हैं। जहां चुनाव होता है वहां हिंदू मुसलमान, हिंदू मुसलमान, हिंदू मुसलमान। बहुत हो गया, समझ लो क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ। तुम्हें गुमराह किया जा रहा है। भगवान के नाम पर वोट मांगा जा रहा है, लेकिन भगवान के नाम पर काम नहीं हो रहा है।
We have our senior editor Pallavi Ghosh joining us live on the broadcast. Pallavi, a very good morning to you. You have been covering elections in the past as well. Talking about this specific season, Prime Minister has very categorically mentioned it that na hum Islam ke khilaf hai, na Musalman ke khilaf hai. But opposition continues to mount an attack against him over this particular issue. Talking about this season, how big of an issue is the Hindu-Muslim angle going to become?
It's likely to become a huge turning point, I would say, in the next, before the next few phases which are going to take place. And these are going to be very critical phases because this is where the India Front Alliance really has to do well. Whether we are talking about Bengal, whether UP, Bihar, therefore these are going to be very impactful ones. And this narrative which has been pushed forward by the Prime Minister of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, that I have never made a difference of Hindu-Muslim, is obviously not going to cut much ice with the opposition. And the reason behind that is actually very, very simple. The genesis of the India Front Alliance, the formation of it is on the premise that they have made that this is a government which completely makes a distinction between two sects of people on the basis of their religion. And here we are, who are actually not going to be allowing that to happen. So they are not going to abandon that narrative. They are not going to be impressed by what the Prime Minister had to say. And the second, of course, is the fact is the minority appeasement tag, which is applied also to many parties in the India Front, like the Congress, the SP, the TMC. That is a tag which is also going to stick on to them. So I think Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's words comes in from there, making the point that Hindu-Musalman is something which the BJP has always made. But the fulcrum of the PM's policies always he has spoken about is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. For example, after Triple Talaq was made into a criminal act, there is evidence to show from the Election Commission statistics actually that in UP, in the Muslim-dominated belts, women were in large numbers coming out and voting for the BJP because they saw that as a turning point. That's what the PM is talking about.
Definitely. Pallavi, please stay with us. We have got another reaction coming in from the opposition. This is Salman Khurshid speaking about Prime Minister Modi's exclusive interview to News 18 India. Let's listen in to what he has to say.
एक इंटरव्यू प्रधानमंत्री ने दिया है न्यूज 18 इंडिया को और कहा है कि 2002 में जो गोधरा कांड हुआ था उसके बाद कांग्रेस ने मेरी इमेज खराब करने की कोशिश की, मेरा उसमें कोई रोल नहीं था।
देखिए, जो वो कह रहे हैं इस बात को एजेंसीज के सामने भी रखा गया है और ये बात कुछ सीमा तक सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक गई। अब वो क्या कहना चाह रहे थे और जो एजेंसी ने स्वीकार किया वो क्या है, वो आज पूरे सबके देश के सामने है। तो आज कोई नई बात नहीं कह रहा है। जो भी था, जो भी वहाँ हुआ था, घटनाक्रम हुआ था, वो सारा देश के सामने है और जो निर्णय हुए वो भी देश के सामने है। तो अब इस बात को छेड़ने की आवश्यकता क्या है?
जिस तरह से वो अचानक से इस तरह की बातों का जिक्र कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने ये कहा कि मैंने ज़्यादा बच्चे पैदा करने वाली बात जो है सिर्फ मुसलमानों के लिए नहीं कही थी, मैंने जो गरीब लोग हैं, गरीब परिवार हैं, मैंने उनके लिए कही थी। मैं इंडिविजुअली जो है मुसलमानों के लिए नहीं कही।
मुसलमानों के लिए नहीं कहा, गरीबों के लिए कहा। तो ये सही कहा। हमको समझना होगा गरीब बच्चे पैदा क्यों करते हैं ज़्यादा, ये समझना होगा। प्रधानमंत्री को, देश के प्रधानमंत्री को ये समझना होगा। ये कहना कि मैंने उनके लिए नहीं कहा, मैंने इनके लिए कहा, मैंने उनके लिए नहीं कहा, मैंने इनके लिए कहा, वो उचित नहीं है प्रधानमंत्री के लिए। कोई छोटा सा आदमी ये बातें करे तो ठीक है, लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर के लिए, प्रधानमंत्री के लिए ये उचित बातें नहीं है।